Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about We Approve Auto Loans. So what that is, it's an application that we run to help out folks who are struggling with some tough credit. So if you're looking to get into a vehicle or you've been to a couple different places, we help everyone out, guys. So kind of first question that we get asked is, should I go through the bank or should I go through the dealership? Always want to go through the dealership, guys, as dealerships are able to buy down the bank's rates, meaning that we get you even better rates than the bank, guys. So you always want to go with that. Another question that we get asked is it a bad idea to go on an 84-month term or a 96-month term? Not at all, guys. By taking those long terms, you're going to get the lowest payment possible for you, as well as you're going to be strengthening your credit at all times. So it's all positive for you in that regard. Another question we get asked, guys, is what is my total cost of borrowing? So what that is going to be is that's going to be your interest. So let's say you financed a vehicle for 8 years at 10% and your interest is $5,000 at the end of it. That's going to be what your total cost of borrowing is, guys. So nice and easy, super easy to understand. If you guys are interested and looking to get into a vehicle here today, give us a call, 780-942-3629.